How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to TooMuchCar. We got a little new device here. It's called the Insta360. We're giving her a shot, seeing how she works. Yeah, so let's see how the videos end up coming out. So we're recording right now. I thought I'd give it a shot. This fucking camera. My camera was terrible before, as you guys know. The quality was really bad. But here we are with the new camera. I could see a preview on my little screen for preview. See what it's recording. It's fucking beautiful. Look at that. You can see everything in the car. It's got a nice little clip to it. So yeah. So today I'm gonna do a 6-month review of my Honda Civic Type R. So we are at 6,000 miles so far, so 1,000 miles per month, not bad. I think it's been less per each month, so I guess each month is different. But you guys let me know how this camera looks. I think I'm gonna like it a lot more, and the app is pretty nice. But anyway, so the Type R, number one thing I love about it was, number one, I went from the SI to the Type R, in case anyone doesn't know. We went from the SI to the Type R, and using the Type R now, this car is absolutely crazy what a difference it is compared to the SI. Like, this car, 10 out of 10 compared to the SI. Right now we're in normal mode, and the cars already feel stiffer than the SI did. So this is kind of like how the SI felt every day. It was like this type of stiffness. Like, this is even stiffer than the SI was. And like, there's no adaptive suspension on the SI, but this one has adaptive suspension. And this in comfort mode is still stiffer than the SI, which is crazy because this is made for the track, you know? And then we had, you know, the sport mode option in the SI didn't really do anything but bring noise to the cabin, make the steering a little heavier, but honestly I just kept it in comfort. This car, I have sport, comfort, let's see, sport, comfort, and individual mode, and we have R mode. This is R mode. So my individual mode is set to be for R mode, but the only thing is that the R suspension is too stiff. Like, the R, like when we run in R mode, it's way too stiff. Like, you're just jumping around everywhere. So I love the screen. This is, I guess, number 2 is the adaptability of everything. Like, I can just be comfortable in the car, or I can just go full on race mode and zoom like this. Like shitty ass road, but yeah, I want to go around this truck. So yeah, so one thing, yeah, number 2 that I love about this car is the driving modes, I guess you could say. I love that we can go from comfort, sport, and I love that there's an individual mode where I can customize the shocks. I can customize whatever I want. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can show you. So there's the engine, steering, suspension, engine sound. I don't like to hear the engine sound for like the fake speaker noises, so I put it on comfort so I don't hear it. The rev matching, you can put it on either sport or comfort. I put it on sport for when I'm driving spiritually. And then the gauge, which is plus R mode gauge. I love this gauge. So the number 3 thing, I guess you could say, would be the shift lights and the gauge itself. I love the LED screen. The SI had a half LED screen. The new ones don't have that now. They actually have the shift lights as well. But the one I had half a LED screen and half analog, and no shift lights. This one actually has shift lights, which is really cool. I'll try to shift like the second so you guys can see it. Yeah, so those are the LED, those are the shift lights. Really nice. little tone whenever I need to shift. I can turn that off if I want to. But yeah. Number 4 would be the handling of this car. The handling and the power delivery of this car is absolutely like never I've experienced before. I had a BMW 340i. I put wheels on it, an exhaust, and the SI handled better than that car. The SI handled really well, but this car, it doesn't even feel like a Civic. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like they call this the poor man's Porsche for a reason, you know what I mean? Because it's not as expensive of a Porsche as a Porsche, obviously, but it just feels so good. The shifter feels good. Everything feels good. Everything is great. Suspension-wise is great. Wow, we got wide tires on this car. Power delivery is great. I can take turns like it's nothing, you know? And number 5, my favorite thing of all in this car right now has to be the sound. I put an exhaust on it. I put the AWE track exhaust on it. I'm sure you guys can hear it throughout this whole video. And absolutely do not regret that at all. This car sounds so good with the AWE track exhaust. I don't know why Honda muffles the sound so much. Like, they literally muffle it to the point where you can't even hear the burbles like you do in this car now. But now it burbles like crazy. It pops sometimes. Like, this is all natural from Honda. Like, I haven't tuned it or anything. So I don't know why they were limiting all that. But overall, this car is absolutely amazing. And since we went through that so quickly, I guess we can just enjoy the drive. This guy does not want me to come in here. I'm gonna come in anyway. People don't like to drive well in New York, as you can see. Slow down the windows so you guys can hear a little bit of the exhaust. And let's enjoy the drive. The random stops that people do on highways make no sense to me. That's the one thing about this differential you could do, is just floor it and it'll just pull you out of, like, it'll like claws you out of the corners. It's crazy. The video comes out nice, but you know, we do as we can. I just got this camera, so we're trying to see how it is. I'm sure the quality is much better than the last video we had, so that GoPro just was not it, man. I had the GoPro Hero Plus, the first generation of GoPros, and that thing just, you know, editing on that thing, everything is just not good. There's a police officer. We have to be calm and collected. Act natural. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will make sure to catch you guys in the next video of TooMuchCar. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this new camera, and hope it's up to par.